Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a chit chat and get ready with you guys and share with you my current everyday makeup that I have been gravitating towards this quarantine or period of time, who knows. So let's get started. I'm gonna have all the products listed down below for you guys who are interested. Right now this Sephora sale is going on, so I'll let you guys know some of these products you can purchase from Sephora. But yeah, I'm just gonna play with some of my makeup and just chat for a little bit. First thing is my Milani eyeshadow primer. Love this. I have used a lot of eyeshadow primers in the past. I really do enjoy the Urban Decay Anti-Aging, but I don't know if it's just my age or my skin currently. I don't think it's necessary for me at this time, especially the price point versus the Wet n Wild one or the Milani one. I have tried the Wet n Wild one. I didn't really like that one as much. The e.l.f. one, which is $1, is just okay, but it's not my favorite. I don't think it's as creamy and long lasting as some of the other ones I've tried. This one is by far my favorite and it's really price effective too. So I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow. I am a big fan of a couple of different brands for eyeshadow. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills for eyeshadow, and I also love Marc Jacobs. So that's kind of what I have still currently in my collection that I like to use on an everyday basis. I am panning my Marc Jacobs Scandalous palette. If you don't know what that means, basically you take an eyeshadow palette in your collection and you want to try and finish up all the eyeshadows before the end of the year. So that's the one I'm working on the most. And I also have a bunch of single Anastasia Beverly Hills shades, so I'm going to use the shade Vanilla all over the lid just to start off my eye look. And I'll probably go into my Pan That palette just because that is what I've been doing on an everyday basis, and I've really enjoyed the Scandalous palette. Other palettes I love are the Modern Renaissance. I also have the Subculture. There's one Anastasia Beverly Hills that I'm kind of looking into purchasing. I think for me, this Sephora sale, I'm not going to purchase anything just due to needs in my collection, things like that. I really need the Smashbox Camera Ready BB Cream shade Light. It's been sold out of Ulta and Sephora this whole quarantine. I'm running so low on it. You'll see me use it here shortly, but that's too dangerously low for my preference. So yeah, a little worried about that one. So I have alerts, email alerts for when those come back out. I will purchase it, but right now they're not there, and that's really what I need. I do tend to purchase more from Ulta just due to the point system, money coming back, that kind of stuff. But tonight is the girls' night Amy Darley is hosting. I'm really excited to be a part of it and be a co-host of it. There are a couple hosts as well. I think there's like Amy and 7 other girls that are going to be on the screen, and then the rest of us, you just kind of live chat. That's today at 8. I'll link her channel down below if you're interested in joining. I think she has some prizes and stuff like that, but I think it's just a fun excuse to not have to do bedtime tonight and just kind of hang out with other lovely YouTube ladies here, and then also just kind of escape the world a little bit and just chat and be live. I think that'll be fun. I hope to see some of y'all there today. If you are planning on attending tonight, let me know in the comments down below. I'll make sure to look out for you guys. I think it's just going to be super fun little event. Everyone's kind of making a drink or desserts. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm planning on making my peanut butter blossoms. It's just something I've kind of been craving, and I know Jackson and my hubby would love to eat that right now. So this is the Scandalous palette I've been working on my eyes while talking to you guys real quick. But yeah, I'm thinking of making peanut butter blossoms. I'm not gonna lie, I totally just ate and finished up. We get these like pints of edible cookie dough from our local baker. I get the sugar cookie. I used to get the chocolate chip, but the sugar cookie is my jam. Just thought they came out with the cookies and cream, which is super dangerous. So when my hubby goes on Saturday for his errands, he will be getting some more of that. It's so good. And I just ate probably way more than I should have. But yeah, so I'm planning on making those cookies, maybe having one or two. For drinks, I don't think I'm gonna make anything super fancy. I'm running out of all my stuff. I need more coconut rum. I need more Godiva hot chocolate. Godiva liqueur. So I'm running low on that stuff. We'll have to do an ABC run here shortly too. So I might just do like a Moscato. I know y'all are probably like, ew, that's like kid wine, sweet wine. But I love me some Moscato. So I'm gonna have that probably with a cookie. Or depending on how cold it is, I could always do my hot chocolate with Godiva liqueur. That's always really yummy and good to eat. But how are y'all hanging in during this quarantine? Just to hear in about an hour and a half what's going on here in North Carolina. I already know we're not opening anytime soon. There's no positive signs right now. Every day more and more people are getting sick and being tested positive for it, and it's just, I don't see anything open. I do see maybe things will start opening, but you'll be required to wear a face mask. But I don't see the YMCA, childcare, all that kind of stuff opening. I think that's kind of done for this year until fall. But then they keep talking about how the fall time there's going to be winter time there's going to be a second wave, and it's just, so buckle in, folks. We've been here what now, 2 months, gonna be here again. I'm very thankful that we have this nice house and the ability to purchase things that we need and some frivolous things to kind of keep me and Jackson entertained. So I am very thankful for that and grateful and appreciative of it. If y'all are struggling during this time, know I am praying and thinking about you guys. It's just super rough. A lot of people are going through different things, and just ready for everything to get better. So that is kind of the look I've been doing on an everyday basis. Kind of hits a lot of the shades in my palette. I'm not sharing with you what the palette looks like because that is a new Pan That Palette update coming soon. So we're gonna go in with the Smashbox Camera Ready BB cream. Like I said, I'm running so low on it. I have, because I'm running low on it, been reaching more towards my Urban Decay Naked Skin foundation, but again, it's the older version of it, so I can't purchase it. But I prefer a BB cream, honestly. Just a lot faster, easier to use. I like that this has sunscreen because, all honesty, I'm not going to be one to put sunscreen on my face every day. So this is a good little barrier for the sun. Kind of looking into makeup setting sprays that have sunscreen. I tried the Cooler one in the past, and I think that one just was too much. I used to use, and when I do get ready for beach and pool and stuff like that, I love the Cooler face sunscreen. So if you're looking for a good sunscreen, especially during the Sephora sale, check that one out. I love the tropical coconut scent, the pina colada scent for the spray. They have this a spray sunscreen for all over your body. I love that. And then the unscented for the face. I also really like the Lip Lux. It's a lip balm with some SPF in it. That's really nice as well. I'm using the Becca Light Shifter Brightening Concealer in the shade, what is this? Gamma Ray. I got this from a influencer box, and I've been using it recently. Just kind of spice things up, make things a little bit brighter underneath my eyes. I know all of this is so not needed, but it's things that make me feel better. Jackson has been sleeping okay. It's just so much energy all the time, so I've been getting more tired, but then I want to stay up and watch things during this quarantine. What have y'all been binging? Let me know in the comments down below. I've really been liking a lot of Netflix shows, actually. I have a Netflix video that I can post down below of like the top favorite shows I was watching. Now I've gotten into Outer Banks, which is really pretty good. I like that show. I'm only on the second episode, but I like the concept and the actors in it right now. And then I've been watching a not for children family time, but Too Hot to Handle. That's been pretty good. Basically, they all think they're going on this like amazing tropical island sexcation kind of thing, and they can't touch each other, kiss each other, have sex, things like that. So it's really interesting where they find some of these people. But it's been entertaining, something fun to watch. So me and my husband have been watching that one just for a change up. Everything's so serious in the world today, and then a lot of serious shows. We wanted something a little bit more upbeat, so we've been liking that. This is the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. It's my by far favorite concealer. I don't think they sell this though at Sephora currently. I think Tarte does these interesting things where they will have some of their products at Sephora and some of them at Ulta. A lot of their skincare line is at Ulta versus Sephora, so I don't think you can actually get the concealer from Sephora. If I'm wrong, then that's new to me, but I haven't been doing that lately. So my favorite, where is it? There we go. My favorite powder that I like to get at Sephora, I don't think Hourglass is sold at Ulta, which is why I get it from Sephora, is the Ambient Lighting Dim Light powder. So pretty. It gives a nice glow to your face while setting your powder and just being a really pretty nice powder. So I will apply that so you guys can kind of see how it looks on the skin. I probably should buy another one of these now that I'm thinking about it. Maybe I'll go do a Sephora order real quick. Get some sunscreen and things like that. But I think I'm waiting. I feel like normally Ulta does like a 20% off coupon right after the sale, and that's kind of what I'm waiting on. But Hourglass isn't sold on Ulta, so my favorite bronzer right now is the Tarte Hotel Heiress bronzer. This is a waterproof bronzer, so you can like go to the pool and the beach and stuff with it. So I like that. But I love applying makeup. I know there's a lot of like memes and stuff going around saying it's like a waste of product right now to be using it since no one's going out like to work and stuff. But it also is a confidence thing, and it's also just a self-care, makes you feel good kind of thing. So that is why I continue to wear it and enjoy it. So blushes. I have been reaching for a lot my Becca Jekyll and Hill Champagne Pop palette, but another blush I really like is from Hourglass, and again you have to get it from Sephora. This is the Mood Exposure blush. It's just a really natural blush, but it has a nice glow to the skin with that ambient powder. So I'm going to take some on my brush and just kind of apply it to the cheeks that way. Just so pretty. And then highlight, where is it? Here we go. This is my favorite highlight. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in Moonstone. And it's like a pale gold kind of shade. This brush you can also get at Sephora. I was looking for a nice highlight brush, and this is the one that popped up. I've got it years ago, but I still love it. It's still really nice. It's the Wavy 140 brush from Makeup Forever, and it's just my favorite. I love it. So we're gonna go in with the Stila Stay All Day liquid liner. I have loved this liner. I went on a weird like freak out right when I got pregnant and took out anything in my collection that had parabens in it and any bad ingredients that like you were told that it would have cancerous properties, things like that. So I stopped using this and I started using a different liner. And as you can see, I have gone back and I don't think it's a lot of product every day to be really concerned about it. What is interesting is there aren't parabens in any of the other colors in this line, but this one it does, which is interesting and weird, but oh well. Another little tip in addition that I like to do with my highlight with my eye look is to take some of it and place it right in the middle of your eye, right where kind of your pupil is on the bottom, so that it kind of draws the attention to your eye right there. So I like to just kind of pop it right there after I do my eye look, just to kind of a little more emphasis on the eye, like that. I think that is fun. I love to do that little tip every day. Mascara I've been using is the Tarte Man Eater mascara. I love to get the like little sample mascara kits from Sephora. I don't typically buy too many of like mascara straight from Sephora. I like to buy like the gift sets, things like that. I'm not sure if there's a gift set available during the sale. I know they have some where there's a lot of different brands, and then they have some. Tarte I know is famous for doing like they have so many mascaras, and they'll put a couple mini mascaras together with a eyelash curler. I love Tarte eyelash curlers, so if they have that, then pick one of those up, because that's where I got this. There was a set of 3 full-size ones, and that's what I've been loving and using. So out of all mascaras, I've tried like the Too Faced Better Than Sex, all that kind of stuff, and that's just not my jam. I think at a time it was, but the Tarte ones are definitely more my favorite. But honestly, I just kind of go for Essence majority of the time, and then the gift sets from Tarte. For brows, I used to use like the Anastasia Brow Wiz and things like that, but this is so much faster, more convenient, and I still like the way it looks. This is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. This is a couple dollars. I get it from Ulta. Comes in different shades. This is Brownie Brows, and it's just so much easier than a pencil. I like that it's a gel because it just kind of makes all your hair kind of look cohesive, come together. And it's just way faster than using a pencil. Lips, I've been reaching for this one a lot, but that's not sold at Sephora. The other one that is at Sephora is the Nude Sticks. This is the Lip and Cheek Pencil in Kiss. Other lip products I like are Bite Beauty lip products. I love their lip crayons and their Amuse Bouche lipsticks. Those are my favorite, and I think they're only sold at Sephora as well. So that is my quick like everyday makeup look using a lot of Sephora products and some just favorite products in general that I have been using. Be sure to come out tonight, if you're watching this the day I'm posting, to Amy Darley's YouTube like girls night at 8 o'clock tonight. I hope to see you guys there. I hope I can make some peanut butter cookies real quick, and who knows what I'll be having for my drink, but I'll let you guys know. See you guys there, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.